So guys, here is a quick tour of my Boardwalk view balcony on board Allure of the Seas. This is located on deck number 11 and is going to be on the way back side of the ship. Now, if you prefer a room that is more centered and near the elevators, I would not recommend this room for you because it is a long walk to the elevators. So as soon as you walk in, you can see that there is going to be the bathroom here to your left. They provide you some hooks. You have your shower here. Okay. And shelving, a little cubby. Nice mirror, more hooks. All right, sink is an oblong shape, so it does kind of make a mess when you're trying to get ready, washing your face and stuff. And you have storage down here below. The thermostat was not updated, so you still have the turn dial. Your main master switch for the room. You have a long length mirror here. Side table. Keep in mind, this is an older cruise ship, so there is not going to be any USBs located on the side of the bed. Your closet space, you have a lot of hanging space here. You're going to have your safe, not big enough for a laptop, but if you are having concerns about your laptop or anything like that, what I would advise you to do is to go ahead and you can put your laptop or so in your suitcase and put the lock on your suitcase, so that way, you know, no one can get to it because there's the lock. You have some hooks up there so you can hang some lanyards or some bags. And it looks like they put your breakfast menu here and the door hanger. Okay, shelving. The bed is configured to a Royal King bed, so that just basically means 2 twin beds put together. So I'm gonna make sure I speak with my stateroom attendant to go ahead and split that up. And here's your other side table. Note, no USB here. You have a couch. This does not appear to pull out as this cabin sleeps too, but we shall see. Here is your television, more storage up the top here. This is going to be your cooler, not a refrigerator. If you do need a refrigerator, you have to make sure that you fill out the special needs request form, so that way they can put a refrigerator in your cabin for you for medications and whatnot. Top drawer is going to have your blow dryer. And then these bottom drawers are just drawers. Here is what your outlet looks like. This is all the outlet that you have for this cabin. And there's some down here below here. This is another storage container here. And your Wi-Fi router here and storage. Now, this is what the Boardwalk balcony looks like from here. So, like I said, this balcony is located on deck number 10, so we are way to the back here. And we are literally right next to the dry slide that was recently added, and we can see the Aqua Theater show from our balcony. So this is basically one of the last balconies here. So there you have it, guys. This is a Boardwalk balcony cabin on board Allure of the Seas on deck number 11 aft. I hope you found this video helpful, and Let me know, have you stayed in the Boardwalk balcony? What is your favorite balcony to book on a cruise ship? Leave in the comments. And as always, guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Stay well and stay savvy.